What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking back in from SeaWorld Orlando for yet another Icebreaker roller coaster construction update. Hopefully there's been a lot of progress. Let's go! It is busy today on Saturday. Then we have some of the SeaWorld Christmas stuff up, but look at all of the guests. Parking lot was pretty full too. Gonna be kind of a busier day. Roughly around maybe a 10 to 15 minute wait for tickets. Up here at the turnstiles, should be in less than 2 minutes. Yep, no wait really to get through the front entrance, and we are on our way. Hello, Icebreaker from across the lake, and I can already see a bunch of new track.
Really? You have to be very careful. And then?
participated to help animals in the wild. We can choose to reuse reusable bags, eat sustainable seafood. We hope you come with an educational and inspirational visit here at SeaWorld.
Our legacy is tied to its future, in our hands to cherish and protect.
Of guests. Today, and because what you're about to see are extensions of behaviors you see out in the ocean. They keep the animals active, stimulated, they even
Sky Tower, and indeed it is open today. We can see 10-minute wait. Admission is $3 still.
Seated at all times. Thank you. Did you know that SeaWorld has rescued and rehabilitated more than 30 television series? Sea Rescue. Be inspired by the exciting real-life animal rescue stories and gain a better understanding of the rich array of sea life with which we share our world. You'll see our epic attraction, Antarctica, Empire of the Penguin, which transports you into the icy world of the penguin like never before. Experience the mysterious land through the penguin's eyes on a first-of-its-kind family ride. Connect with it. Interaction is a big part of a SeaWorld day. After an awesome animal encounter...
Well guys, that's going to do it for another video here from SeaWorld Orlando for Icebreaker roller coaster construction. As we saw, crews place more track and the brake run is now there. Looking good. We do have a couple pieces that were leading up into the Beyond Vertical Spike. Just 2 remain, and I'm expecting those are going to go up probably Monday. A lot of the work is now going to shift to the west side of the site, as we're going to start working on the rest of the launch and top hat. Of course, we have SeaWorld's Christmas celebration coming up very soon. Manta doing a flyby. And we're going to have more videos from here. So of course, if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem. And I will see you out on the Midway.